Welcome to the channel. So you guys, today's video is going to be another Babalabag review. Now, as you know, as of now, listen, I'm loving Babala. So I have done two or three, maybe this is number four. I've lost count. But listen, when it's good, it's good. And I have to share this with you because I'm loving this one right here. You know, spring is coming. I like to do like a lighter bag in the summer and springtime. Uh, I may carry a black bag every now and again during the spring and summer, but not often. I try to do a lighter bag. And actually, I got that from one of my girlfriends back in the day when we were teenagers. She would always carry black in the summer and white, no, black in the winter and white in the summer. Now, white, I have maybe I have one solid white bag that was a gift. Thank you very much. And then I have a white and kind of tan taupey color that my goddaughter gave me. But I don't have two. Oh, and I got a white clutch. So I don't have a whole lot of white. But anywho, I said, oh, let's see how I be squirreling, girl. I'll be squirreling. So anywho, we are going to be reviewing, and I'm getting ready to cheat because I'm going to look down, okay? You know, I want to get it right. So we are about to review the Gucci medium tote bag with hook closure. So this bag is 40 by 19.5 by 12 centimeters. It comes in, I know it comes in the beige, which I have, and it comes in a burgundy color. If it comes in another color, I will list that down below as well, or I'll put it across the screen so you will know. So, oh, so let me say this. Now, the seller did advise me that this bag does not have a box. So if you order one, there's a great chance that you won't have a box. I kind of pre-opened it by taking the tape and stuff off. So it came like this in the box. Ooh, it makes so much noise. Then you have another protective bag. Then you have your dust cover. Okay. So then, you guys, are you ready? Girl. Oh, it came in this too. It was wrapped in this. I pulled it out trying to be all extra. I'm trying to be extra with the surprise, girls. But here is the bag. So let's take all this extra stuff off. A little static. Look. And so this is what the inside is looking like. You have your stuffing, which I like to keep. Then you have a shoulder strap. Yeah, shoulder strap. Oh, I was trying to figure out where you put it. Duh. There's one right there. I'm really not sure. Maybe this is the other side. But you know, I never carry the shoulder strap, but I will try to figure, we're gonna work this out together in case you are a shoulder strap kind of girl. So let me take this stuff off here. I just threw that paper on the floor. Just being trifling. Oops, I lost a piece. Hold on. Okay. So you've got your protective stuff on your hardware. Let me take that off real quick. So you guys, I'm getting used to my hair. I had to go out there and see what kind of hair I had, girl. I'm in the 4 category. So let me see. So wait a minute. We got protective covering on this piece too. So let me take that off. That's cute. It's shaped like something. Wait a minute. Let me get this off and we'll see. I like doing it with you. So I was gonna say I probably should have took all this off before, but no. I like doing this with you guys. Girl, me and my static cling. Everything is clinging to me. Okay, I'm gonna put this around my neck for a minute because I want you to see. So this is the piece I just took the protective paper off of, and it has the emblem and it says Gucci and yada yada. Then you have a zipper here. I think this might be my purse for the whole. And then here you get this, and that's a nice little space right there. I love anytime I don't have to hunt for my keys. I'm happy. Then on the other side, you have the same kind of zipper in the same pocket. So then you have these 2 straps here. Let me put that together and see what that looks like. I guess it's like a closure kind of feature. So it'll look like that. Then you have, they call this the hook closure. So you would take this, hook it in front like that. So that's cute, honey. It's like an East and West. Loving, 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 loving this. And the leather is soft. And I have some leather treatment that I put on all my leather bags before I carry them. Just so they will last longer. But anywho, let's see how this strap works. Oh, this is a buckle strap. Uh-oh, girl, listen. Listen now, Linda, listen. Let me try to figure this out. So, oh, okay. So, wait a minute, do you take this off and put that on? I'm thinking this might come off and this takes its place for a shoulder bag look. Let's see. But you also have this little clip here. But there's none on this side. So, girl. So how would I put that on there? Oh, I guess I would put this strap through the... Oh, I'm sorry. Can you see me? I'm sorry you can't see what I'm doing. I'll let you see as soon as I figure it out. I'm thinking... For real, I'm thinking it may go on this inside. And then... That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it goes on the inside with this shorter strap. And then comes over. Wait a minute. So I put it right here. And I'm pulling it over to the other side. And I'm going to bring it through this. Can you see that? I'm going to bring it through this hoop right here. Then once I get it in there, you see I got this piece left. So then you take the buckle. This got to be how it goes. It's the only thing that makes sense to me. And you buckle it as you would in like any buckle. Come on. I'm trying to get it through that second piece. Hold on. So then it's like this. Yep. This is how we do it. Da 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 da. It's probably static because it's still winter, so it's cold in this basement. So you got it like that. Come on now. That is too cute, but I'm not gonna do this shoulder. I'm not gonna do that shoulder strap. I will, because I am really a top handle girl. I really, really am. So wait a minute. I want to adjust this so I can carry it the way I want to carry it. I can leave that strap in there. I'll take it out later. I'm loving this. This is absolutely fabulous. So if you notice, my style of handbag, I like a structured bag. I like a classic structured bag. And this is screaming Jill all day long. Don't you think this is screaming my name? Yes, honey. I was going to show you the others, but they are upstairs. Anywho, yes, girl, yes. This is a fabulous bag. And again, it comes in a wine burgundy, the new winey, like a color about like this. And I can't remember, and I meant to get that for you. Again, I will put it on the screen, the colors that this comes in. This, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Honey, let me give you a full body view. Honey, let me switch this camera around because you got to see how it is to carry it. So give me a second. Let me switch this camera around. Okay, so look, girl, look, look. Tell me this bag is not just delicious. Delicious for the spring and the summer. Yes, ma'am. So listen, I was getting ready to go out. I had to do this video though, but I think I'm going to put some quick conditioner on here, switch purses, and I'm carrying this today. I know it ain't spring yet, but I'm going to act like it is. The weather's 78 today. Now, I think tomorrow, the day after, it's going to be 50. But anywho, today we're going to rock with it. Look, girl, I am loving this. So again, this is the Gucci medium tote with hook closure. This is your hook closure right there. Looking all fabulous. And uh, the hook is gold. It's not a brassy gold. It's kind of that pale gold. But yet, let me give it to you one more time. Mm. Okay, so again, it's Babalabags. I will have everything listed in the description box down below. Also, know Babalabags has multiple ways for you to pay, so don't worry about that. You can Western Union, you can PayPal, you can I'll put it all down in the description box. But girl, go on and get you some spring candy. Yes, girl, yes. And they don't just sell bags, you guys. If you have little feet, they don't have big shoes. Uh, they have shoes, they have belts, they have the things. So while you're checking out this purse, check out all the other stuff that they have as well. So yes, honey, I'm going to see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it inspired you to have some fabulous bag candy for the spring and summer. I'm going to close here, but you know what I love to always say. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.